Each new day is a new opportunity to improve yourself. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a phrasal verb, level against. What is the meaning of the phrasal verb level against and how can we use this level against in our sentence? See, the meaning for the phrasal verb level against is to accuse someone in public of doing something wrong. It means to criticize or accuse someone. If you criticize or accuse a person, you are level against him. See, to say publicly that someone is to blame for something, especially a crime or a mistake. So, the meaning for the phrasal verb level against is to criticize or accuse someone. Shall we use this phrasal verb in a sentence? Look at this sentence. Charges of corruption has been leveled against the Chief Minister. It means the Chief Minister has been criticized or accused for charges of corruption. Number 2, some serious allegations have been leveled against the chairman. It means the chairman has been criticized or accused. Several criticisms have been leveled against the company's board of directors. It means the company's board of directors criticized or accused for doing some illegal activities. And the last example, his speech was intended to answer the charges leveled against him by the opposition party. So, the phrasal verb level against means to criticize or accuse somebody for his misdeed, for a person's illegal activity. So far in this class, we have discussed the phrasal verb level against. So, level against means to accuse someone in public of doing something wrong. Hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.